Hey everybody, Matt Piccirillo here from Capital Clarity CFO Services. I'm going to do a quick run through of our custom Fathom reports that we do for our clients. So Fathom is a great tool that we use. It connects right to your QuickBooks online, and we're able to get all that information into a very digestible report for you. So today I'm just showing you a demo company here. This is their quarterly performance report. Lots of good things in here, really showing the capabilities of the reporting tool, but we typically tend to pare things back a bit just to what is the most important for you. It's not about necessarily getting a lot of information out to you, but what is the most important. Running down through here, there's an executive summary just with the high level things, what's going well, what's going bad. A lot of these are financial metrics that we monitor in the background, but we also don't typically report everything to the client just because, again, it just adds confusion if there's too much information included. So we usually focus on these in the background, and then we will bring them to the report if there's an issue or something noteworthy. There's KPIs, which, again, are mostly financial, but we can put in custom KPIs for whatever's important to the business. We have a profitability section here, which I think is really great for everybody. You can sort of see what your revenue was. What's nice here is it shows you a nice visual here of what a break-even point would be. This shows, your top 10 revenue accounts, top 10 expense accounts, so that can essentially help you focus in on the most important aspects of your business, what's driving it this month. So again, just a lot of different ways of seeing the same information to visualize it, to know where to focus on things. Again, we customize all these reports, so we wouldn't necessarily show all of these on every report that we do, but a quarterly report might have different information than a monthly or an annual review. Another part is cash flow. So this shows like a cash flow waterfall, which is really nice. It shows, easy green and red. You don't really have to be a finance major to understand what's happening here. So, revenue comes in, and then cash starts going out the door when you do cost of sales, expenses, that's money out the door, so cash obviously goes down. And you can see as this waterfall comes down how much will be left over, and that shows your net cash flow of 136. This just is a great visual for cash flow in general, your operating cash flow, free cash flow, and net cash flow. What's nice is you don't need to be a finance major, like I said. This explains every bit of each term. Then it goes into, again, cash flow charts. This one's just showing all the different things. I like the visuals. The charts help us see the ebbs and flows a bit, and your growth rate. This is another great tool that I can go into more depth on another video, but essentially shows the difference between the operating expenses and your EBITDA. And if you're having quality growth, if you're shrinking back, even efficient gains or stress, this helps us focus in and just visually see the direction of the company and making sure that we're growing healthy. This quality growth quadrant over here. And then what's nice too is it's sort of like as an appendix we can throw in here as KPIs explained. So again, you don't have to go into all of this on the front end of the report, but if you want to deep dive something, you can go in and see what each thing means, is good or bad, and how to sort of move them. A lot of times they'll even give suggestions on what you can do in your business to improve that. Again, this can be very customized to your business, not only with what financial metrics you want to see, but also non-financial. So anything that's important to what makes the business run, which is really all the finances are doing, right? We're looking at the finances to try to inform day-to-day decisions and identify areas of opportunity and avoid, risks to mitigate or avoid. So this is a great tool. This is what we use with all of our clients. So I'd love to hear about what on this report in particular looked interesting. I can do a deep dive in any of those sections or metrics in the future. And of course, if this is something that you think that you need for your business, please go to my website, capitalclaritycfo.com. You can set up a time to meet with us just to see if you'd be a good fit. And if we could provide value for you, we could set up these custom reports and make it exactly what you need so that you can keep your eye on the highest value tasks and activities in your business.